controversial businessman and Zambian entrepreneur Wigno Jivayo has reportedly purchased a 34 million private jet at a time when Zimbabwe is grappling with severe economic challenges, a move that has ignited debate over corruption and privilege in the country. Zapina Bashkumana Yukopankwa Inachenze, Jivayo's 34 million jetpacks sparks debate over corruption and privilege. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mzim Ayambrajuna Chiti, Chivayo, yes, first allegations of fraudulently acquiring government tenders due to his close links with President Emerson Mnangagwa was praised online by ZANU-PF activist Cleopas Mukungunugwa, who announced the accusation on Wednesday. In a post that went viral on social media, Mukungunugwa wrote, Wakatangirwa ni dare, Zimbabwean businessmen say Wigno Chivayo has done it again. The customized WMC-777 Gulfstream G550 private jet is now finally coming home to Zimbabwe without fail, all the way from Gulfstream headquarters to its home soil. $34 million were spent and fully paid. The jet is currently undergoing routine annual major maintenance and is set to arrive in Zimbabwe in March. The G550 offers ultra-long-range luxury interiors, high-speed performance, and advanced avionics, placing Zimbabweans among the global elite thanks to black empowerment policies under the Second Republic led by President Emerson Mnangagwa. Iwe wosora mukuru wemazuva ndi baba venyu vakomana Edwin Chivayo. The post is sparked strong reactions, with critics questioning how a businessman associated with state contracts can afford such an extravagant purchase, while the nation continues to face economic hardships. Supporters, however, defended the purchase as a sign of success and national progress, arguing that it reflects Zimbabwe's growing wealth creation under the current administration. Global developments at Pomre Zimbabwe. In the comment section, we do some of emo to deep on subject. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.